Hey, what's up? Today I'm making a spun cotton Jimothy. This is my first time doing a spun cotton craft, so he's a little lumpy, but it turned out to be one of my favorite mediums. I'm going to start by making my armature with some foil and some wire. Once I got my base, I'm going to take some cotton balls, some thread, and some Jimothy. I'm going to tie my thread in place and then rip off a piece of this cotton ball and put it anywhere on his body, but I'm going to start with his head. And then you wrap the thread around the cotton. And just continue down until you have all the foil pieces covered. Once he's all wrapped up, I'm going to take a bit of polymer clay and make a small nose. I also rolled out 2 small eyeballs, but I don't have a recording of that. And for his paws, I'm going to put on these thick coils around the wire and then just shape them into his little feet. Then I'll run my X-Acto knife over to make his little fingers. And then I'll do the same for the rest of his limbs. I think that looks good enough. After our clay is cured in the oven, I'm going to take some more bits of cotton and I'm going to paint on our glue and water mixture. And I used 2 parts water and 1 part glue. And the glue I used was Mod Podge. I'm going to go ahead and glue on our nose and eyes. And add small rolls of cotton to make eyelids. And then I'll just continue this through the rest of his body. Once he's covered with his last layer of cotton, I'm going to let him dry, and that took about maybe a day. And then I'll paint over all the cotton with a dark gray. And then I'm going to paint over a few layers of light gray paint. Don't forget his little toes. And I'm hoping this will give the illusion of some fluffy raccoon fur. Give that tail some stripes. And then paint on his black and white face markings. I feel like his eye shape is a little bit too human and it's kind of freaking me out. And now he's angry. I'm gonna drag his little mask down to his cheeks, paint him a little mouth so he can eat, give him some whiskers. And then go over his eyes and nose with a clear nail polish. Is it Jimothy shaped? I feel like it kind of looks like a fat ass badger or a manatee. I'm sorry, Jimbo. You should be. And why stop there when I can make a base for him to stand on? These are supposed to be flowers. I'm gonna place this little apple core and some pizza and pizza crust so he has something to eat. And for some added decoration, more garbages. And once my base is cured, I'm going to glue on my Jimothy. And I'm done. What's one more knickknack to the junk shelf?